Namaskaram. A very warm welcome to day 3 of Utsav 2020. The good thing about Instagram live videos is there is absolutely no delay in starting unless there are technical hiccups, which we just faced about 2 minutes before. But it's very inspiring because last time when Aditi ji spoke, she said something very interesting, that we are on new grounds, we are in an unusual situation, we are trying to get a hold on things, we are making ourselves adaptable to the new situation, and you never know what new things might emerge out of it, what new possibilities might emerge out of this. And to me, this is one such possibility where art hasn't stopped. We are still continuing what we do, and I think that's the takeaway from this entire situation. At the onset, I would like to thank G.V. Ramani Natya Kala Foundation for inviting me second year in a row for their beautiful Utsav festival. Gayatri Akka, thank you so much. Every time I talk to her, I can say you because I know she's watching me. Every time I talk to you, there is this childlike enthusiasm, positivity, spirit that you have, where you're so open to ideas, you're so open to receiving, and that's something I would really like to imbibe from you. And I offer my deepest gratitude to you for being the way you are. And of course, yes, we are on day 3 of Utsav, like I mentioned earlier. I wouldn't be sitting here in front of you if it wasn't for my 3 pillars of strength. Like the pot, it can be held only with the 3 supports. Like you pull one off and the pot is going to break. So these 3 pillars of strength are my gurus. I would like to mention their names. Shri Vaibhav Arekar, with who I had my foundation training, after which Guru Lata Raman, who I think completely changed the perspective and my approach towards this classical dance form, and I'm indebted to her for the rest of my life. And of course, Srimati Rama Vaidyanathan, who inspired me to think and give a reality to the ideas that I thought of. And I feel so hugely indebted. I feel very overwhelmed because this is also my first Insta live, so I'm a little nervous and everything, but nevertheless I'm going to try and definitely enjoy this experience. So without wasting any more time, I welcome you to my home. Thank you so much for coming and joining us. I begin my presentation with a piece which is very dear to me, Shivashtakam, which I learned from my guru, Guru Lata Raman. This has been choreographed by her, and it extols the beauty, and I would say they say that when you sing the Shivashtakam with utmost devotion, it absolves you of all the sins. And right now I feel that Shiva is going through some fury. He's in that mood of dissolution. Let's bring back the balance. So this is a humble attempt to tell him, please calm down and now let this pandemic just disappear. So yes, the Shivashtakam. This has been composed by Kirtana Krishnamurthy, a young talented vocalist and composer. There are also some rhythmic inputs in this which are done by Anand Sachidanandan, but unfortunately due to technical difficulties, I'm not being able to present that, but hopefully in the near future. So Shivashtakam in Raga Malika and Khanda Chaputara. I begin with Shivashtakam.
रत्नैकल्पितमासनम् हिमजले स्नानं च दिव्याम्बरम् नानारत्नविभूषितम् मृगमदामोदाकितं चन्दनं जाति चम्पक बिल्वपत्ररचितं पुष्पं च धूपं तथा देवं देव दयानिधे पशुपते हृत्कल्पितं गृह्यताम् हृत्कल्पितं गृह्यताम् प्रभुं प्राणनाथं विभुं विश्वनाथं जगन्नाथनाथं सदानन्दभाजं प्रभुं प्राणनाथं विभुं विश्वनाथं जगन्नाथनाथं सदानन्दभाजं भवद्भव्यभूतेश्वरं भूतनाथं शिवं शङ्करं शम्भुमीशानमीडे गले रुण्डमालं तनौ सर्पजालं महाकालकालं गणेशादिपालं जटाजूटगङ्गोत्तरङ्गै विशालं शिवं शङ्करं शम्भुमीशानमीडे मुदामाकरं मण्डनं मण्डयन्तं महामण्डलं भस्मभूषाधरन्तम् अनादिह्यपारं महामोहमारं शिवं शङ्करं शम्भुमीशानमीडे वटादो निवासं महाटाटहासं महापापनाशं सदा सुप्रकाशं गिरीशं गणेशं सुरेशं महेशं गिरीशं गणेशं सुरेशं महेशं शिवं शङ्करं शम्भुमीशानमीडे गिरीन्द्रात्मजा सङ्गृहीतार्थदेहं गिरौ संस्थितं सर्वदा पन्नगेहं परब्रह्म ब्रह्मादिभिः वन्द्यमानं शिवं शङ्करं शम्भुमीशानमीडे कपालं त्रिशूलं कयाभ्यां ददानं पदाम्बोजनं गाय कामं ददानं बलिवर्धयानं सुराणां प्रदानं शिवं शङ्करं शम्भुमीशानमीडे शरच्चन्द्रगात्रं गुणानन्दपात्रं त्रिनेत्रं पवित्रं धनेशस्य मित्रम् अपर्णकलत्रं सदा सच्चरित्रं शिवं शङ्करं शम्भुमीशानमीडे हरं सर्पहार चिताभूविहारं भवं वेदसारं सदा निर्विकारम् श्मशाने वसन्तं मनोजं दहन्तं शिवं शङ्करं शम्भुमीशानमे शिवं शङ्करं शम्भुमीशानमे शिवं शङ्करं शम्भुमीशानमे स्तवं यः प्रभाते नरः शूलपाणे पठेत् सर्वदा भर्गभावानुरक्तः सुपुत्रं धनं धान्यं मित्रं कलत्रं विचित्रं समासाद्य मोक्षं प्रयाति मोक्षं प्रयाति मोक्षं प्रयाति
And what do you expect out of after dissolution? We are all expecting respite. And the best form of respite is none other than the rain. So here, through the next piece, which is a Tumri, I'm invoking the rain gods to bring some respite from the heat and also from the situation. It's rain that always never fails to bring a smile on our faces. The interesting thing about the Tumri is it's been haunting me for the last 1 year, because last year around this time I first heard this when I was making a little promo video for Uma Didi's Raindrops Festival, and since then I've been wanting to work on it. So I've taken this time to delve into it, and definitely I still have to go deeper. But here is a first look of my humble attempt. This is in Rag Surmalhar, presenting Tumri Barkha Ritu Aayi.
बरखा ऋतु आए बरखा तो आई, बरखा रे तू आई, रे तू 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 आई, बरखा रे तू आई, सलोने पिया कैसे बरखा रे तू आई, सलोने पिया कैसे, सलोने पिया रे कान्हा रे कान्हा रे कन्हैया पिया रे सलोने पिया कैसे, पिया कैसे बरखा रे तू आई, रे तू आई, बरखा रे तू आई, कारी पिरी घटा चाहूं और छाई, कारी पिरी घटा चाहूं और छाई, छाई रे छाई, कारी पिरी घटा चाहूं और छाई, रे मामा पानी दरी सा, कारी पिरी घटा चाहूं और छाई, सरी निसा परी मा परे मा सरी मा पनी दरी निसा, चमक बिजुरिया हम ही डराए, चमक बिजुरिया हम ही डराए, चमक बिजुरिया हम ही डराए, नैनन नींद चुराई रे, नैनन नींद चुराई रे, नैनन नींद चुराई रे, बरखा रे तू आई, रे तू आई, बरखा रे तू आई, रे तू आई, बरखा रे तू आई, निजरे समारे पामरे पमरे जनी जरे बरखा रे तू आई, म पामनी म परे म सरे मरे सनी जरे सा बरखा रे तू आई, रे म पनी धनी सारी पमरे सनी सरे बरखा रे तू आई, मम पप मम नी म परे मम जरी नि सरी बरखा रे तू आई, सरे मरे म प म पानी पानी सा सनी पमरे 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 सनी सरी सनी सा बरखा रे तू आई, ससरी सा पपनी प ससरी सा पपनी प ससरी सा बरखा रे तू आई, निजरी रे रे निजरी रे पमरे रे नि पमरे रे सरी मम रे म प ऋतु आए पिया कैसे बरखा ऋतु आए सलोने पिया कैसे बरखा ऋतु आई बरखा ऋतु आई बरखा ऋतु
I conclude quickly with a very, very special piece. This is a Meera Bhajan in Ragam Kapi. I don't know why my speaker is troubling in between, but please bear with us for these technical issues. This Meera Bhajan is actually a very interesting experiment of sorts, I would like to say. My Veena teacher, Srimati Shamla Sajnani, one day sends me this beautiful rendition of this Meera Bhajan, and she said to me, why don't you attempt this, but there are no words. And you know how it is, when you dance, the first thing that you want to get a grip on is the words, the padartha, the shabda. So I told to her, why? And she said to me something very interesting. She said, you know, always dancers, you are using the word and you're showing the word to word meaning. Try something different. Initially, I found it so challenging. I was waiting to hear one word so I could depict that. And then soon I felt very liberated because the entire canvas is wide open. You can show whatever you want. There's nothing to hold you down. Having said that, I've still stuck to the, I would say the words of the Meera Bhajan. So I leave it to you to guess which Meera Bhajan this is. Ragam Kapi, and the veena has been played by Srimati Shamla Sajnani. I'm going to try and take the speaker a little closer to the laptop so that it doesn't stop in between. I hope that works well. Behave. Thank you once again, Guru G.V. Ramani Natyakala Foundation and Gayatri Akka